The computing innovation I will be discussing today is Teamspeak 3. Teamspeak 3 is currently up in my top menu here. It is connected to a server owned by the Last Echelon, which is a gaming community that I am actually a part of. It has a welcome lobby where I'm stationed here. It advertises what video games I play. It's got permissions because I am a moderator, which gives me power in this community. And it's organized in such a way that we can have a vast amount of people playing games together and communicating in ways that enhance our ability to use cooperation to find success in whatever we're doing. I use Teamspeak 3 and in this particular server to talk with my friends, family, as well as playing video games.
Disconnected.
Now I'd like to talk about the creation of Teamspeak itself. Its mission is to be an ideal voice and chat app for online gaming, education, and training, internal business communication, as well as staying in touch with friends and family. Their primary focus is delivering a solution that is easy to use with high security standards, excellent voice quality, and low system bandwidth usage. They feature a client-server architecture. Teamspeak is capable of handling thousands of simultaneous users, which is great for really large communities. A little bit more on how Teamspeak works and some of the key features it offers. Some of my favorite, as I mentioned earlier, were the robust permission systems, its mobile connectivity, as well as its AES-based encryption that ensures that our server has a password and no one's in there who shouldn't be. A little bit about the history of Teamspeak. It was started in 1999 as a personal project for a group of friends who met each other online and wanted to have a more reliable and cross-platform compatible voice communication system that would get through their issues with different routers and firewalls. By 2001, the first public version of Teamspeak was released, and it did achieve its goals of connecting gamers all throughout the world, and it really changed the standard for how people were working together to do things as recreational as online gaming was during 2001. Today, Teamspeak is used by professional gamers all around the world and by people in communities who just want to hang out and have a nice time together. Here are some of the systems that you can download for Teamspeak. 32 or 64-bit connections for Windows, Linux. It's got an Android, iOS, and Mac OS option. And now I'd like to show you actually a little bit from my gaming community's website, The Last Echelon. Here we have a way to join Teamspeak immediately that'll connect you to our server. And it kind of describes not only what we're about as a community, but it shows that the purpose of Teamspeak is really to bring people together. It's a way for us to get advantage in games we're playing, communicate in ways that we weren't previously, and kind of develop a system and a community that trusts one another and can be managed well by people who are given those permissions. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.